Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today, as promised, I am going to share with you this quick, amazingly delicious pumpkin spice whipped cream. We are going to add some powdered sugar to a container or a bowl, and some pumpkin spice, and of course some good heavy cream, and that is heavy whipping cream. We are going to whisk this for about 2 minutes or about a minute and a half. Then we are going in with some pureed pumpkin. Continue whisking until it forms a nice thick peak. Do not go for a whisk. And this is what it looks like, guys. Absolutely delicious. The color and the flavor is just superb. So please go ahead, smash that subscribe button, like, share, and drop me a comment. This is a perfect holiday dessert you guys can have. All right, so thank you all so much for spending the time with me today, and do not forget to click the link in the description box for that moist, delicious pumpkin bread. Bye bye.